Hello friends, and welcome back to STEAM Night. My name is Miss Mary. Now, how many of you know that it is almost Pi Day? No, not P-I-E, P-I, Pi. So I wanted to highlight this book in our collection called Circumference and the Dragon of Pi, a Math Adventure. And this is by Cindy Neuschwander. And on the back, it tells us that this is circumference, Lady Di of Amateur, and radius, and they're back in their second math adventure. So, if you want to read about Circumference and the Dragon of Pi, or any other of the adventures of Circumference, and Lady Di of Amateur, and radius, you can check those out from our library, Wilson County Public Libraries. So today, I wanted to show you a fun craft that we could do with the digits of pi. So, we're going to make pi bracelets. Now we're going to use the digits of pi here till about, well, it depends on how many you can fit, really. But I only fit, to this 6 on my bracelet, but you could probably fit more. So, and this just helps us remember the first couple digits of pi. Plus, they look pretty fun. So, for this bracelet, I took a pipe cleaner to make sure it was sturdy enough for my beads. And I just added the digits of pi. So we have 3 with the 3 blue beads, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6. Now, with these bracelets, you could maybe impress your teachers with how well you know the first at least 5 digits of pi. Who knows? So if you would like to make your own pi bracelet for our STEAM craft, then come to the Youth Services desk at the main library to get the materials. Okay, we will have beads and pipe cleaners available in a variety of colors, as well as instructions. So thank you for joining me for STEAM Night, and happy Pi Day!